Wait.
No, wait.
No, go.
I didn't know we were rolling. I'm sorry.
I'm just kidding. No, I'm not.
Thank you.
Get it. You need it. Especially for what you're about to do.
I'm honored for this. This
is
awesome.
cool, dude. So, Mr. DJ.
Yes.
What's going on with your car? The thing is kind of low to the ground.
It's a little low. This is my 1994 Nissan S14 Silvia. Imported about 3 years ago. Completely stock. I wanted to go a little crazy with it, a little flashy, not functional.
Not functional? It seems pretty functional.
It's functional, but I'm saying like in terms of drifting it or...
There's a lot going on.
There's a lot,
first of all, dope, underglow. I'm guessing these are Type S lights?
Huge shout out to Type S, yes.
They make the best, and they've honestly brought underglow back.
For sure.
So the feature of this, while it's slammed and low to the ground, looks good.
Mm-hmm.
I know the engine bay is probably the best part about it.
Yeah, I would say that's my favorite part.
Let's check it out.
And I love the way the purple bleeds through, but I heard that Type S has an engine bay LED kit, so I think that would need to happen for this. That would be awesome.
I'm kind of speechless. Okay, so I haven't seen this yet.
Okay.
I just saw this car was parked here and it's low, and Tommy, our mutual friend, was like, hey, Larry, you got to check this out. Don't look at the engine bay yet.
Okay.
Until you're actually
so
featuring it. So this is my first time seeing it.
it.
I don't even know what to say. It's like a different kind of cleanliness. So what did you actually do to clean up the engine bay? It's like shaved, not shaved?
Okay, so what we did, it started off as just a simple battery. Take out the battery box because it was a little rusty and corroded. The whole engine bay was dirty. And then it led to filling 200 holes while keeping the factory tubs instead of replacing it and cutting it out. I wanted it to look as OEM as possible, but not have any holes anywhere. So that's what we shot for, and it came out awesome. My buddy Brian actually did the work, and he killed it.
It looks really, really good.
Yeah.
Okay, so then tell me about the motor setup. Obviously, this didn't come with the S14.
So it had an NA SR notch top in it, 14, and took that out. This is an RB25 DET Series 1 with a GT 3071R Garrett turbo, Greddy manifolds, PRP coil packs, LS chrome alternator, and a bunch of shiny bits. Pretty simple build. Not a lot of stuff is hooked up. I wanted it to be as simple and functional as possible, so.
I like it. So in this configuration, how much power is it making?
I dynoed it the other day and it read 280 on 8 pounds. So low boost, stock gate pressure, no boost controller is hooked up or anything, so 280.
So cool. Okay, so now it's also on an airbag setup?
Yes.
Tell me about the airbag setup and wheel and tire combo.
The air suspension, I am running Bag Riders 3P complete kit, full air system. And this is their super low that they released pretty recently. Absolutely love it. Awesome, awesome. Never had bags before, so it was very sick to do that and dabble with that. I got some Work Equips classic wheel. It's probably top 5 wheel for me. Always wanted it. This is a 225/40/18 for the front. Nice
so
little
cool.
stretch, sitting right on it.
And are those Z32 brakes?
These are, yes.
Brakes?
So front and rear Z32 brakes, white. Very good brakes, keep it OEM.
What else did you do on the outside aero-wise?
It has a full, complete Navan kit, which I absolutely love because I think utilizing the OEM Nissan parts that they offer is, you would be silly not to use it because I think it looks very proper.
This was a part that you can get from Nissan?
Correct, yeah, the whole kit, the skirts, the spats, and the front bumper, yeah.
I had no idea.
Mm-hmm.
So what did you have to do to get it to fit like this? Did you have to tub the back or anything?
No, I can't ride like this, but it clears, it hits the tire, the wheel well, so.
Can we take a look at the inside?
Oh, of course, yeah. Oh, and this. A lot of people probably are gonna disagree with this.
I mean, I'm not disagreeing. It definitely fits the theme of the build. I think it's pretty cool, actually. Oh, so the windows work, everything is all functional still?
All functional, correct.
So is this custom done or is this a kit?
It's supposed to be a bolt-on hinge kit. There was nothing bolt-on about it. They're just cheap universal hinges, so it required a lot of modification for sure.
How does this thing drive?
Pretty good. The alignment's a little wonky at the moment. I need to get new arms for it, but not bad. I love it. I love driving this car so much.
What did you do to the interior?
We have the Recaro confettis for the seats, works bell hub, nothing crazy, just Nardi horn, doubled in.
I'm surprised the dash is uncracked, actually.
Uncracked. I did crack the vent, which is unfortunate, but like the front piece, the plastic piece up there that goes on
Got
top.
it. But that's something you can replace.
Correct.
Yeah.
Dash is hard to find, correct.
Where is the airbag set up in the back?
Oh, yeah, it's not that pretty back there, don't mind that. But.
There's your luggage, dude. And you got your shoes here, too.
Oh, it's this, type, little brochure.
No, this is sick.
So this is
simple?
Very simple. No interior pieces are in it. I want to redo it all this winter, so. This is the bag riders. New kit, you can mount the compressors on the top. Everything's nice and tidy. Love it. Very functional.
Cool. Awesome. So what's up? You're going to do a burnout or what?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Let me get Tyler.
Okay.
I got to get Tyler to make sure he gets a good clip of this thing. Hey, Tyler, he's about to light him up, dude. What do you think? What do you think about this, dude?
What
do you think?
It's pretty crazy.
It's pretty cool, right?
Nice. It's clean.
Let's go, Deej.
It's so
I feel
clean.
like you can't really drive it anywhere though.
Let's go,
back?
Deej.
Pour this car. Whatever this car is, it's. Yeah. We Oh my goodness! It's just so ridiculous. That's why it's cool.
It's kind of amazing how clean this engine bay is, right?
Yeah, all right, Tyler, what do you think? You're a big S chassis guy.
I'm definitely an S chassis guy. I'm more of a coupe 13 guy, but this, I love it because he's stuck with the Zenki front. We got what looks like a crazy build. We got full race manifold on there. Yeah, this thing gets down for sure. And,
oh, he's gonna get down all right.
Yeah, I mean,
He said he's gonna get down.
Like this right here, that fender to rim, that's like.
Dude, you don't even need a line lock, dude. You just leave it like this low in the front and it's not even gonna move anywhere, dude.
It won't. Yeah, no,
He just has to put it in gear and let out the clutch, dude. Oh my God. Rotary Poppy, what's going on? What do you think? Is this clean or what?
It's cool.
Yeah?
I like it.
Is this like up to your spec or what?
Yeah. I wish I had a 13B in it. But
Oh,
240 guys
you
are too
wish.
scared. They're too scared to do that. So I have to do it myself.
Well, Mr. LZ is not too scared.
Nah, he's not.
No, he went crazy on his Supra.
Yeah.
Which, that's what you're working on right now.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
I'll be running later tonight, hopefully.
Where?
Oh, there. You'll hear it turn on.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll be sure to find you and make
you'll
sure.
hear us.
Okay. All right. I can't wait. Man, this is getting crazy now. So we are here at the LZ compound for the LZ Festival or LZ Invitational, and there's just so many people here, including all these cool builds, and we got Mr. Vargas here. Dude, look at this. You're getting praise from the rotary
guy.
master, dude.
Rotary.
The rotary Poppy.
You don't got the balls around a 13B.
Oh, them fighting words, dude.
I'll wait until I get one, then you can build me a problem.
You're gonna get an RX-7, dude.
Talk shit to people and you get new work.
That's awesome. All right, when are you ready?
My Bernie.
Tyler's ready, dude.
Bernie's on.
Are you
Bernie's
gonna
on.
keep the hood open?
No. You should probably close the hood.
Say, that's
That's gonna be dangerous, dude. That's dangerous.
I like it. I've never
I like
seen
the
that before.
dedication, but you know, this is good because I'm gonna run his audio so I can hear him yelling and stuff. Wait. Oh my god. Dude, you're insane, dude. Oh.
Sorry, Adam. Oh man.
Oh my god.
Is that good?
Yeah, that was crazy, dude.
What do you mean was that good? Look at this.
What do you think, Nate? What do you think, bud?
Epic, epic.
That was pretty
Compound.
Dude. Oh my god.
Solar eclipse.
Oh my god. Is it grant approved, dude?
That was amazing. Him getting so close to Jimmy's car, I was like, but amazing. 10 out of 10.
Oh,
Wish I got
wow.
here earlier. That was
Oh,
awesome.
wow.
That was awesome.
I love that everybody started running as
We're
soon
like,
as
he's moving, he's moving, he's moving. No, that was sick.
I was like, oh shit.
That's not my car.
Oh, Jimmy's my bad.
God damn it, you and everyone else.
wow, this just got
That
this
was
just got
amazing.
crazy,
That
dude.
was amazing. Well, it's just gonna get crazier because we have a long weekend ahead of us.
Oh, jeez, I can't wait. We're gonna shoot together.
Let's go,
It's gonna be awesome.
I'm ready for it.
Yeah, that was Tyler. That was Tyler.
Couldn't see shit.
Is that good?
That was
Sweet.
dude. You lived up to your name, dude. Mr. DJ.
Oh, Larry, you gotta get the cords, dude. Gotta get the cords. Can you see him in there?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
There it is.
You can't drive home on those.
Right.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you want to support us directly, go to LarryChenPrints.com. I print and sign every single one of these. This is the perfect gift, or it's the perfect piece of art for your wall.